Imagine biting into a mouth-watering avocado toast loaded with crispy veggies and a hint of lime. The first food idea we're exploring today is none other than the ever-popular avocado toast. Simple yet packed with nutrients, it's the perfect on-the-go meal option. To create this culinary delight, you'll need a ripe avocado, a slice or two of whole grain bread, a fresh lime, and your choice of veggies. Think tomatoes, cucumbers, radishes, or even a sprinkle of microgreens. And let's not forget seasonings, perhaps a pinch of sea salt, cracked black pepper, or a dash of chili flakes if you like a little heat. The preparation process is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, toast your bread to a golden perfection. Meanwhile, mash your ripe avocado and squeeze in some lime for that extra zing. Once your toast is ready, slather on the avocado, add your veggies, and top it off with your favorite seasonings. And there you have it, a delicious and nutritious avocado toast ready in no time. Next, we're blending a protein-packed smoothie that's as tasty as it is healthy. This smoothie is a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with the goodness of your favorite fruits, a scoop of protein powder, a splash of almond milk, and a handful of spinach. You can pick any fruits you like, from berries to bananas, to give your smoothie that delicious natural sweetness. Start by adding your chosen fruits into the blender. Now, add in your protein powder. This will give your smoothie that extra kick of protein to keep you fueled throughout the day. Next, pour in the almond milk, which gives our smoothie a creamy texture while keeping it dairy-free. Finally, throw in a handful of spinach, a superfood that's loaded with vitamins and iron. Blend all these ingredients until smooth, and there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've prepared a refreshing protein smoothie. Now let's toss together a crunchy quinoa salad that's bursting with flavor. This wholesome dish begins with a foundation of cooked quinoa, a super grain known for its high protein content and nutty taste. Now let's add some color and crunch. Choose a variety of fresh vegetables for this. Think vibrant bell peppers, juicy cherry tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and maybe even some sweet corn. The more colorful, the better. But what's a salad without a dressing, right? For this quinoa salad, we'll whip up a homemade vinaigrette. A simple blend of olive oil, tangy lemon juice, a touch of honey for sweetness, and some salt and pepper to taste. This dressing not only adds a zesty kick, but also helps to bind all the flavors together. Combining all these ingredients, give it a good mix, and voila! In no time at all, you've created a dish that's as nutritious as it is delicious. Your crunchy quinoa salad is ready to be enjoyed. Next, we're layering a delightful Greek yogurt parfait. This is your fourth food idea, a truly satisfying Greek yogurt parfait. Imagine starting your day with a dish that tastes like a dessert but is packed with protein and fiber. The primary ingredients are Greek yogurt, granola, and your favorite fruits. Let's dive into the preparation process. First, you'll need a clear glass to showcase those beautiful layers. Begin with a layer of Greek yogurt at the bottom. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein and calcium, and it gives our parfait its creamy texture. Next, add a layer of granola. The granola adds a delightful crunch and is a great source of fiber. Now it's time for the fruits. Layer your favorite fruits for a burst of natural sweetness and vitamins. Repeat these layers until your glass is filled, and voila! Your Greek yogurt parfait is ready for a healthy indulgence. Finally, we're whipping up an energizing chia pudding that'll keep you full for hours. This little wonder of a dish is our fifth quick and nutritious food idea. The star of this recipe is, of course, chia seeds, known for their rich fiber and protein content. Then there's your choice of milk, almond, coconut, oat, or even dairy, whichever you prefer. And the fun part? Toppings. Go wild with your favorites: berries, nuts, granola, or a drizzle of honey. Now on to the preparation. First, mix the chia seeds with your chosen milk in a bowl. Give it a good stir, then let this sit in the refrigerator overnight. The seeds will absorb the milk and form a pudding-like texture. In the morning, give it another stir, top it off with your chosen delights, and voila! Your chia pudding is ready to power your day. And there you have it, 5 quick and nutritious on-the-go food ideas. Let's do a quick recap. We started with the intriguing avocado toast, a perfect blend of healthy fats and fiber. Then we moved on to the protein-packed smoothie, an excellent post-workout refreshment. Our third stop was the crunchy quinoa salad, a protein-rich meal that is both satisfying and delicious. Next, we savored the satisfying Greek yogurt parfait, a creamy and fruity delight. And finally, we ended with the energizing chia pudding, a powerhouse of nutrients that keeps you full for hours. Eating healthy doesn't have to be dull or time-consuming. With these quick and nutritious recipes, you're all set to make your health a priority without compromising on taste or time. Remember, good health is the foundation of a happy life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more quick and healthy food ideas.